In this video, we will compare Myfitnesspal and Myfitnesspal Premium. Myfitnesspal and Myfitnesspal Premium are both powerful tools for tracking food intake and fitness progress, but the Premium offers several advanced features for those looking for a more personalised and developed experience. The free version of Myfitnesspal provides calorific tracking and a large full database, and the ability to log workouts. It also offers simple full setting goals like daily calorie limit and allows you to track your progress with the basic reports. However, it does include ads and have limited insights into your nutrition breakdown. On the other hand, MyFitnessPal Premium comes with advanced features designed for users who want more control on their data and health journey. Premium users enjoy an ad-free experience, more personalized goal, and access to detailed nutritional analysis, allowing them to track macros and macronutrients and specific vitamins in greater depth. It also provides exclusive reports on your progress, historical trends, and detailed breakdowns of your food logs. As a premium member, you can also integrate with various fitness devices or apps for more comprehensive view on your fitness progress. Overall, MyFitnessPal Premium is ideal for individuals looking to seek a deeper and more customized tracking experience, while the free version is suitable for those with basic needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.